Hello everyone, welcome to English Stories. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. The strength of forgiveness. In a busy town, there was a small restaurant named Flavorful Bites, where two friends, Tom and Emma, worked together. Tom was the cook and Emma was the friendly face at the counter. They made a great team, creating a welcoming atmosphere for everyone who entered. One day, a mix-up happened in the kitchen. Tom mistakenly used the wrong ingredients in a dish, and it didn't taste as good as it should. The disappointed customer complained to Emma at the counter. Emma, feeling the pressure, unintentionally blamed Tom for the mistake. This led to a tense atmosphere in the restaurant. Tom felt hurt by the blame, and Emma felt bad for putting the blame on him. The joy that once filled the restaurant was replaced by an uncomfortable silence. Realizing the impact of their misunderstanding, Emma decided to talk to Tom. She apologized for blaming him and admitted that it was a mistake anyone could make. Tom, though still a bit upset, appreciated Emma's honesty. Instead of holding on to their hurt, Tom and Emma chose to forgive each other. Tom acknowledged that mistakes happen, and Emma realized she shouldn't have blamed him without understanding the full situation. They decided to work together to make things right. The next day, they created a special dish together, combining Tom's cooking skills and Emma's friendly service. They offered it to the customer who had been disappointed the day before, along with a sincere apology. The customer appreciated the effort, and the positive energy returned to Flavorful Bites. Moral of the story: forgiveness and admitting mistakes are important for our maintaining positive relationships and creating a peaceful atmosphere. By apologizing sincerely and letting go of blame, we can cultivate understanding and trust in all aspects of life. Holding on to anger only leads to tension, but forgiveness brings peace and growth. The end. Hope you liked the story. For more stories, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.